Good morning children. Did you complete bar graphs? Okay. Today let us begin with pie chart. Pie chart is a circular chart or graph which is divided into sectors. Let us look at an example to understand this. Pie chart, there is a diagram. It is a circular chart. So circle is there and that is divided into sectors. Each part is called as a sector. So here for each sector there is a different shading given to separate each other, to distinguish the sectors from each other. Okay. So here food is one sector, education is one sector, others is one sector, savings is another sector. Okay. So to find out the angle of a sector, there is an important formula which you have to remember to draw a pie chart. Angle of a sector is equal to amount divided by total into 360 degrees. Angle of a sector is equal to amount divided by total into 360 degrees. You have to remember this formula for drawing the pie chart. Understood this? Write the heading pie chart and copy this formula. Copy only this formula. Okay? Write it in your class workbooks, children. When we do the exercise problems, you will be able to understand it in a better way. Okay? Okay, children. Exercise 4, second problem, let us do. Draw a pie chart for the following day. Item of expenditure and amount spent in rupees is given. These are the things which are mentioned. So first thing what we have to do is write this table in a different form. In a vertical form we are going to write item in expenditure, same thing we have written. So what are the items we have to write? The first one is food, second one is health, third one clothing, very good. What is the fourth one? Education. Fifth one, savings. Okay. So now we have to copy the amount spent in rupees. This part nicely, neatly one below the other. Okay. 3,750, 1,875, 1,875, then 1,200, 7,500. Okay. So here we are going to find out the angle. Without the angle you cannot draw a pie diagram. You know that for a circle the angle which is formed at the center is 360 degrees. Amount means whatever amount is given for individual item, that is the amount you have to take. Total means whatever total amount is there, that you have to find out. So let us find out the total. Okay, how to find out the total? You need to add. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 here and 1 carry. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. 20 plus 0 is 20 itself. Now 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 8 or 17 plus 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 17 plus 10 is 27. 27 plus 5. 27 plus 5 is 32. 2 here and 3 carry. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 6 is 16. So you got here 16,200 is the value you got. 16,200 is the total you got. So now let us find out the sector angle or angle of a sector, because here place is not there, I have written sector angle. Amount is 3,750 divided by total is 16,200 into 360 degrees. Let's cancel. 0 and 0 gets cancelled, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So here 2 table, let us cancel. 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder 16. 2 8s are 16. 18 and 81, both are divisible in 9 table. 9 2s are 18, 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. Now 9 table, let us cancel 375. 9 1s are 9, 9, 9 4s are 36. 1 is the remainder, 15 you got. 9 1s are 9. 15 minus 9 is how much? 6. So 6 is the remainder. Because I kept a point, it is 60. 9 6 are 54. 54. 60 minus 54 is 6 is the remainder. 2 points after the point, find out 2 digits. Always remember, after the point you have to find out 2 digits. So here 60 again. So 6 times. So this is nothing but 41.66 into 2. 2 is left here and 41.66 you got here. So let us multiply this. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 4s are 8. So you got 83.32. Now round off this to a whole number. Okay. So 3 is there. From 1 to 4 if it is there, the whole number will remain the same. When it is more than 5, from 5, if it is more, it should be rounded off to the next whole number. So here you will get 83 degrees. 83 degrees. Now let us do help. It is 1875 divided by 16,200 into 360 degrees. Cancel this. 10 10 gets cancelled. Now 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 3 is the remainder. 5 7s are 35. 2 is the remainder. 5 5s are 25. So I finished with that. Now let us do this. 5 3s are 15. 1 is the remainder. 5 2s are 10. 2 is the remainder. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Now let us cancel these two with 4 table. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Now cancel this. 9 1s are 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. Now cancel 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. 1 is the remainder. 9 1s are 9. 6 is the remainder. Point I kept, so I got 60. So 9 6 are 54. 6 is the remainder. Point I kept, so it is 6. So this is nothing but 41.66 I got. Round it off to the nearest whole number. So 0.6 is there. So next whole number you should take, which is 42 degrees. You got it as 42 degrees. These two values are same. So let us write this. 1875 divided by 16,200 into 360 degrees is equal to 42 degrees. How did I get this? Here I have solved. So here I have written the answer directly. Let us write. 1200 divided by 16,200 into 360 degrees. So here 2 zeros and 2 zeros gets cancelled. Now let us cancel using 2 table. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder, 2 8s are 16 and 0. Now both are divisible by 9 table. 9 2s are 18, 20 times. 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. Now 9 table. 9 1s are 9. So 9 1s are 9. 12 minus 9 is 10, 11, 12. 3. 3 is the remainder. 3 is the remainder. So 30 you have. Then 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 27. 30 minus 27 is 3. 30 you have. Again 3 times if you take, you will get again 3. So we will stop it there. 1.33 into 20. 1.33 into 20. So this is equal to 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Then 0 is there here, so we will add 1 0. After 2 digits you have a point. After 2 digits we should write a point. Okay. So here when we round off, this will be equal to 27 degrees. How many degrees? 27 degrees. Now let us do the savings part. 7,500 divided by 16,200 into 360 degrees. 2 zeros and 2 zeros gets cancelled. Let's cancel with 8. 2 table. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 is the remainder. 2 8s are 16 and 0. 180 you got. Both of them are divisible in 9 table. 9 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18. So it is 20. Now 9 table. 9 1s are 9. 9 8s are 72. So 72 means 3 is the remainder. Point if I keep 30 I will get. 9 table. 9 3s are 27. 30 minus 27 is 3 again. 0 if I take, it is 3. So this is nothing but 8.33 into 20. 8.33 into 20. Now let's multiply. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. And 1 0 is there, so we are writing a 0. After 2 digits point is there. After 2 digits 1 point is there. Now rounding off this value, you will get 167 degrees. 167 degrees. Now this is a total. Did you understand this? How to find out the angle of each sector? Okay. Copy all this in your class workbook. After you copy, we are going to draw the pie diagram. Okay. Copy this carefully. Okay children, we have used our compass to draw the circle. Okay, after drawing the circle, center is marked and from the center a line is drawn to touch the circle, to the end of the circle. Now use your protractor. Use your protractor. You remember how to take the angles? Obtuse angle means outside. Okay. Acute angle means inside. So here the middle of the protractor is kept at the center and see that the line is not visible. Then mark 83 degrees. Here you can see it is 80. 83 is here. So mark the point and then use your scale to join the line. Okay. Use your scale to join the line. So this is your food. For food 83 degrees. For health 42 degrees. Use your protractor and see that the zero, the baseline of the protractor is touching the line here and the center is matching with the center of the circle. Okay. So now mark 42. This is 40. And 2 lines you should count from here. Use your scale and join the line. So this is 42 degrees and this is health. Health is 42 degrees. Food is 83. Now next clothing is 42 again. So use your protractor. Rotate your protractor such that this becomes the baseline. Touch the baseline of the protractor with the baseline of the health. Okay, 42. Let us take this. 42 is baseline. Now join this. To the center you need to join. Okay. This is the center, this is the baseline, this is clothing. Clothing is finished. The next one is education. For education, 27 we should take. 27. Rotate the protractor. See that the baseline is matching with the baseline of this. Okay, only this side we should see. Don't match this side. Okay. So here the center of the protractor should match with the center of the circle. Now mark 27. Here 20. 10, 27. After the long line 27 is there. Mark 20. Draw the line. So here it is 27. 27 is education. 27 is education. The last one is savings. Savings is 167 degrees. You can just keep your protractor and check whether you are getting 167. Yes, we will get 167 degrees. So this is how you are going to draw. Now you have to differentiate each sector from the other. So how are you going to do? Shade this. Shade each item or each sector differently. So this food I have drawn lines. Health I am drawing circles. Okay. Now clothing I am drawing stars. Whichever shading you want to take, you can take. Okay. So here stars. Education I am going to take waves. These are the waves. For education I have taken waves. Then for savings you can take any shading or just leave it like that.